This house is something, dude. Let's go. Let's get out of here. So my uncle keeps wanting to go to this house. I don't know. It's just acting really weird. What up, everybody? How you guys doing today? I hope everybody's having an amazing day. As always, starting off this vlog here in my backyard, you guys might be able to tell. If we continue this video any longer, I want to say that we are almost finished with our fireplace in the back. Little update on that coming shortly. Totally different video from this one that you guys are watching right here. But with that being said, before we roll the footage of the house that we went and see, just wanted to mention that this house is, I don't know, I call it a haunted house just because it's so weird. And I mean, like, there's like really creepy things, as you guys will see later on in the video. My uncle decided he's not gonna get this house just because the way that it looks, and not because that it's huge. It's a huge house. It looks good and all, but it's creepy. Plus, there's a lot of things that you gotta go through to be able to purchase this house. But with that being said, let's get on the GMC Acadia. Let's roll, guys. We just got here to this place. So you guys know my uncle is shopping for a new house. I'm sorry if the quality of this video is not as good as usual, but I'm actually filming with my phone, so you cannot expect that much. But this house is actually, I don't know, it's creepy. There's boxes there. I don't know. This is like a haunted house. It looks like the house, there's nobody living in this house apparently, but it does need, looks like it needs some work done. There's actually a hole in the garage door here. I will show you right now. Right there, as you guys can see, there's a hole to this house. I don't know where that leads to, but I don't know. I'm obviously not going to go in the house. That would be cool though. It'd be a really dope video if I would have my GoPro, have my POV hat and all those stuff. Other than that, this is a huge house, as you might be able to tell. Got a I don't know what the hell that's called. Big patio as well. Pretty cool. My uncle's saying that this is a mansion. This is a big ass house. You see? But I don't know, I'm not sure if there's people living on this house. Oh God. I should probably not go through here, but I'm going to. Going around the whole house. My uncle said if he purchased this house, everything, all the trees gonna be gone. Obviously put a better decoration. But yeah, I'm gonna be heading out now to see another house. So my uncle keeps wanting to go to this house. I don't know. I don't know, it's just acting really weird. Yeah, it's a mansion. Oh God, that's a jacuzzi. Huh? That's a jacuzzi. Cool. Oh God, look at all that water that it has. Yeah. I honestly like this house, but it's huge and it's, I don't know, call it haunted house. I don't know, it's really huge, but it's creepy at the same time. I don't know. We obviously came in my GMC Acadia. My uncle's leaving his car rest for a bit. Long story short, my uncle left this morning to New York. That's a 3-hour or maybe a 2-hour drive back to New York. And then once he got there, 1 hour later, they call him that he has to come down here and check some houses out. And then here he is. My aunt is obviously back on to New York. So yeah, poor BMW does not take a rest. Talking about the BMW, here it is sitting calmly on its spot. The BMW took a deep beat today. Drove 2 hours to New York and then drove 2 hours back here to PA. And my uncle's actually leaving tomorrow morning, so 2 more hours. Damn. The car is doing amazing as always. Just look at this car. just amazing. With that being said, guys, this is gonna end today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. Give it a big thumbs up. If you're stopping for the first time and you haven't already, and you feel like you kind of want to, please subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye bye.